he's gonna come to you.
No one touches his food.
Okay, you have to go inside the bag, Hemi.
It's not stupid.
There you go.
I might be stupid.
He's coming towards the camera. Hemi!
Wait, pass your phone.
Go get Jorge.
Let me come.
Good boy, Hemi.
Where is he?
He's right on your back.
Eat.
Hemi. Do you have other food for him?
Yeah, seeds.
Huh. I love how you walk, Hemi.
No.
Hey, Hemi.
Are
Hey.
you recording?
Yeah. Step up. Good boy. Say hello.
No.
He's gonna come after you again.
Hmm?
Said he's gonna come after you again.
It's not on this side.
Say hello, Hemi. Hey, hey. Your wings are huge.
You're basically doubling the size of your second floor up here. Absolutely. Exactly what I want here. In my mind, that second level was just about a bedroom and a bathroom. There, it'd be enough, but...
Should I stretch out his wings?
Mm-hmm.
The lady stretch it out.
Hey, don't shoot the bag. Oh my goodness, huge wings. It's good that he lets you do that. Most birds don't.
Yeah, he's really gentle.
Hey, 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 hey.
But stupid.
Don't rip your bag.
He's only 7 weeks though.
He's still smart for 7 weeks.
Yeah, he's really smart. As smart as African Gray, she said.
Enjoying your treats.